You have to like what we're seeing so far from Kawhi Leonard. Back to Harden. Fires the three. There's the pick. Off the pick. Again, the Wizards good for two.
Boy, that was a rugged screen set there, fellas, and the defense didn't even try to go through that one.
Fades away. That's good. 10 points for him.
Boy, I tell you what, he loves getting looks like that from the three-point line. No one near him. That's a warm-up jumper for him.
Now here's Wright. And here is Wright. Still getting warmed up offensively. No buckets yet in the game for him. And it's going to be out of bounds. The Wizards will retain possession. Time called here. The Wizards decide to talk it over. And the Clippers making a switch here. And with a little over a minute gone, the second half is underway. And there's the rejection. Outside Westbrook. Pass to Plumlee. Outside George. And another three for the Clippers.
Back-to-back threes for him. The defense is slacking off a little.
Now here's Wright. Down low. First minute and a half of basketball here in the third quarter. And fouled hard. Free throw drops for Wright. And so Wright nails both of them. Now Harden. He's got 10. And that one's good. 12 points for him.
He's played an important role in their offense today, guys. Without him, they may not be in the lead.
And so he earns a trip to the line. Official saw the contact, and he'll shoot two. The first one falls. So he gets them both. Here is Harden. 12 points for him. Makes it off the glass. Now, Wright. Bagley. Washington gets it back. Tries again, and the layup is good. He's got 8.
If you battle for the offensive rebound and come up with it, you're guaranteed a high-quality shot on a follow just like he got there.
Outside Westbrook. And it goes as the official calls the foul. Count it. He'll shoot one more at the free throw line. And the Clippers making a change here. This will be his 4th shot at the line in this one. And so it's Washington with it. There's the pick. Shamet. Holmes. The rebound by Paul George. Right side Leonard. In close, he hits it.
Defensively, I think they've got to do a better job of bodying them up.
Now here's Wright. Clark, they've been struggling here on offense.
Yeah, a little bit of cottonmouth here. Dry spell for sure.
Kuzma. Banked in off the glass.
One of the reasons they're behind is because we haven't seen enough of that. He needs to become a bigger part of the offense.
Foul call. Looked like the D didn't get there in time, and he'll shoot free throws. That's good from Westbrook. The Wizards making a switch here. And so Westbrook makes them both. Here's Wright. Poked loose. Stolen by Westbrook. There's the lob to the hoop. Here's Maggette. Kuzma. Good. He's got 6. Good as it goes. That misses. Would have kind of had it gone in. And at the end of the third quarter, a huge lead in this one may already have been decided. The Clippers on top. We're going to step aside for just a second, but join us right back here for the start of the fourth quarter next. And we welcome you back as we get going here in the fourth quarter. The final quarter of play can change everything. Wright with it. Pass to Maggette. Now here's Wright. The 3-ball. It's hauled in by the Clippers.
You know, so many games are decided by which team wins the rebound battle, and that's held true in this one so far.
Shot is off. Kuzma. Here's Wright. Kuzma. And he's good on the 3-ball.
They're down right now, trying to stay in the game with the 3-ball. They've shot a lot more here in the second half than they did in the first half. And I'm not sure I agree with that strategy.
Harden left side. And it's out of bounds. The Wizards will take it the other way.
That is not a difficult pass. You'd think they could keep it in bounds.
The Wizards making a switch here. Poked away. Tries to keep it alive. Kuzma. It's rebounded by Leonard. And here's Westbrook. Back to Leonard. Fourth quarter now. We're about a minute and a half in.
Boy, even though he missed, you can't give up that kind of a look very often.
Now, Wright. It's good, and he drew contact on the shot, so he will go to the line. A 3-point play chance here. Now, here is George. The kick out to Westbrook. Left side, Westbrook. Throws it up high. Oh, a nice defensive play to disrupt the alley-oop. Now here's Wright. Second minute off the clock now in the fourth. Kuzma. Kuzma. The putback. The follow-up jam. Here's Westbrook. Releases. Zubac. Harden. Jacks up a 3. Can't hit. All sorts of time. Misses off the right iron.
There's no getting around the simple fact that that's a shot he has to knock down.
Here's Leonard. Backing in and stolen by Wright. Kuzma. Pushing it up. Pass to Westbrook. And he drew the blocking foul. He'll go to the line for 2.
Westbrook.
And the first one at the line is good. And the Wizards are going with a whole new group out there now. And he can't hit the second. Bonga. And the shot counts. He's fouled, and it's a chance for a 3-point play. And the Clippers have possession. They lead by 14. Look at the clock. A little under 3.5 minutes gone here in the fourth. And Leonard gets it to go. Here's Maggette. Clock at 6. Misses from close range.
Well, one of his issues is he's a player that just does not excel at fighting through contact on his way to the rim.
Pass to Jones. From deep. Missed. So the Clippers. Kawhi Leonard.
Everything is